What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can cancel your ChatGPT subscription plan. Also, before we get started, if you guys are interested what equipment I'm using to create this video, I will leave links to those in the description below. And now let's get started. Now first off, you would need to go to the chatgpt.com website to cancel your subscription. And of course, make sure that you're logged in into the account that you have your subscription active on. Now, once you did all that, you can go to the upper right corner onto your account tab right here and select the settings option, this one right here. From here on the settings menu, you would need to go to the last option that says subscriptions. And here you will be able to see your current subscription status. So I'm currently using ChatGPT Plus and my subscription expires, or in this case renews, on March 13th, which is in just a couple of days. So to cancel my subscription, I will just go on the manage option and select cancel subscription option right here. From there, just go ahead and confirm your decision, so click cancel subscription again. Then this survey page will load up. So which type of ChatGPT subscription did you cancel? I will just select ChatGPT Plus, which is my subscription, and click next. Then what's the reason? I will just select I don't use it enough and click next. And here I will just click next. Here also. And there we go. So we were just redirected back onto the ChatGPT website, and let's check our subscription status. So my plan will be cancelled on March 13th, as this message says. And that's guys how you can cancel or end your ChatGPT Plus subscription plan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.